Okay, so we're back with another video and we're gonna make some fuzzy nails. So we need some flock. So I decided, like, I seen somebody with the fuzzy stuff and then they never said how they got the fuzzy stuff. So I was like, I can get the fuzzy stuff. Because if you are OG nail tech, you remember when we were doing a lot of Elmo nails and Sesame Street nails, like early 2000s, and we had flock and powder in them. We just ain't have little bottles. So I got these little bottles off of Amazon, and it was the same amount of bottles like as it was flock and powder. But the whole thing cost me under $20. I already had a funnel, and so I'm gonna show you. We're gonna take all of these flock and powders and put them in their own squeezy bottle, and then we're gonna do some nail art with it. So I'll show you like a few of them, and you can figure it out. Obviously, it's not that hard. And then the second part is I'll show you how we do the art with it, okay? Okay, so I bought a funnel pack, and I got it from Daiso. And it had a smaller one, but I opted for the bigger one because I want to pour the stuff in there. And then I'm also going to use some canned air because this little flocking stuff is kind of like not messy, but it's kind of staticky. So we're going to grab our funnel, grab our flocking powder, and if you think it's taking too long, that's why I did the bigger one out. Just like use a little stir stick, or like this is like a dotter tool, and just help it along. Easy peasy. These are actually, I'm gonna throw them away. Like, I was thinking like, oh, I can save them and do something else, but it's just got so much of that flocking powder in it. I don't think that's a good idea. So put the little cap on so you can always have them to use for later. Like, it was less than 20 bucks for all of these colors in this little bottle, and you're just gonna squeeze it out. It's already punched and everything. So I'm gonna do that for all the bottles, and then I'm going to clean out. This is just some canned air. Just clean out the little funnel, easy peasy, and let's pop to the next color. We're just gonna tap it in slowly, and that feels it easier than just putting all of it in there and then trying to stir. So it's better to do it this way. This red is so bright. My goodness, it's really pretty. So yeah, do it this way. You won't get frustrated. It's very easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So we got them all done. It was 12 bottles and 12 colors, which, I mean, that's good. So this whole thing cost me $20 in about 20 minutes to do 12 colors in these little bottles. I'm gonna link everything below. Yeah, I'll link everything below, but let's do some nail art with it. So, suggestion 1, 2, and 3. Suggestion 1, a matte nail. You're gonna need a gel lamp, and you're gonna need a top coat. Right? So, matte nail, gel lamp, and a top coat. I'm going to take a little bit of top coat and put it on just a mixing palette. And I just be using like the little glass ones from the dollar store. Like, I think this is for a candle. And then for this design, because you could do any kind of design. Like if I did a cow print, I could do that. But for this design, I'm just going to draw on my nail with the top coat. I'm going to move the top coat out of the way. And then I'm going to grab, we'll do black to start. Just take the top off. It's like a little squeezy bottle. And then I'm just going to squeeze. And when I'm squeezing, I'm putting a little fuzz on the nail. It's pretty easy. You could do it over a color. You could do it over pretty much anything. So then grab that, pop that in the lamp, and give it at least a 30-second cure. Okay, we got it out of the lamp. It's all cured up. Dust it off, and look, we got a little fuzz everywhere. So let's add some other colors. Just don't get it too close to what you already put down. The gel top coat is going to keep it from bleeding, like from rubbing off. That's what it is. The gel top coat is going to keep it from rub it off, but you don't want it to bleed with the like into the other colors. And I was like, this is so inexpensive, but like a cool way. Think about wintertime when you're going to do sweater nails. This is going to be a game changer. Okay, so here is our super complete nail. It looks so cool. It feels cool too. So I will say, we're gonna do a little recap in a minute, but like, you gotta put it in a top coat. I haven't tried it in a tack-free gel, because you know there are some gels that have tack-free capabilities for chroming. So I haven't tried it anywhere like anything like that, but maybe I'll do another video on that. Comment below if that's what you want to see. Okay, so a few tips with this. Oops, camera's crooked. Okay, so a few tips. If it gets all clumpy in there, shake it down. Shake it down. Also, I noticed that the red is a little bit better because I put more. I put more. Don't touch it. The black is kind of light. I didn't put enough where the black was, because that was the first one I did. So the more you put, the better the saturation. If you do cheetah print or cow print or anything like that, I would say do the cowpox or cheetah pox or whatever on the base cure matte, and then go in with a tack-free top coat right on top of that, and do whatever color fuzzy that you prefer. So it's basically flocking powder, whatever color you prefer. I think this is going to be like summer trend again, because it already happened. There's a young lady in Chicago that does nails. Astro Wifey, I think. She was doing fuzzy nails like back in the day. She's a trendsetter. But in any case, so that is my fuzzy nails. If you got any questions about it, comment below. And also I will put all where I got everything from, so that you can get it too. Alright, so that's it for today's video. If you need anything else, nah, I'm saying. But thank you. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share to your friends that do nails so they can watch it too. Thank you. Bye.